Python sets. Let us discuss about in this topic about sets, access set items, add set items, remove set items, loop sets, join sets, set methods. Set. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Set is one of 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. The other 3 are list, tuple and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. A set is a collection which is both unordered and unindexed. Sets are written with curly brackets. See here, we have written inside curly brackets. Example, create a set. Is set inside curly brackets, sunflower, jasmine, lily. The set list is unordered, meaning the items will appear in a random order. Refresh this page to see the change in the result. Note, sets are unordered, so you cannot be sure in which order the items will appear. Set items. Set items are unordered, unchangeable and do not allow duplicate values. Unordered. Unordered means that the items in a set do not have an defined order. Set items can appear in different order every time you use them and cannot be referred to be index or a key. Unchangeable. Sets are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change the items after the set has been created. Once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new items. Duplicates not allowed. Sets cannot have 2 items with the same value. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily, sunflower. There are 2 items, but here only 1 item printed, jasmine, lily, sunflower. Get the length of a set. To determine how many items a set has, use the length method. Get the number of items in a set. By using length method, see here there are 3 items. Set items data types. Set items can be of any data type, string, integer and Boolean data type. See here, the first one is string, second one is integer and third one is Boolean. The result is true, false, false. See here the result. A set can contain different data types. A set with strings, integers and Boolean values. See here, there it's a string, integer and also Boolean value. See here result. Type. From Python's perspective, sets are defined as objects with a data type set. See here, it's mentioned here the data type, the class set. The set constructor. It is also possible to use the set constructor to make a set. See here, note double round brackets, same. Note the set list is unordered, so the result will display the item in a random order. See here, it displayed in random order. Python access set items. You cannot access items in a set by referring to an index or a key, but you can loop through the set items using a for loop or ask if a specified value is present in a set by using the in keyword. See here, loop through the set and print the value. See here, we are giving for and in keyword. For example, lily, sunflower, jasmine. Second example, check if jasmine is present in the set. See here, yes, true. Once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new items. Add set items. Once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new items. To add a new item, to add one item to a set, use the add method. Add an item to a set using the add method. See this here, just we added that. The result, rows was added. Add sets. To add items from another set into the current set, use the update method. Add elements from tropical into this set. See here, we have just inserted that. Set sunflower, tulip, lily, lavender, jasmine, daisy. Add an iterable. The object in the update method does not have to be a set. Add elements of a list to a set. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily, orchid, rose. See, they are added. Remove set items. To remove an item in a set, remove Jasmine by using the remove method. See here, the Jasmine was removed. If the item to remove does not exist, remove will raise an error. The set sunflower, Jasmine, lily, Jasmine, yes, it is removed. If the item to remove does not exist, discard will not raise an error. You can also use the pop method to remove an item, but this method will remove the last item. Remember, the sets are unordered, so you will not know what item that gets removed. The return value of the pop method is the removed item. Remove the last item by using the pop method. See here, sunflower, Jasmine, lily. See here, lily was removed. The set after removal. Sets are unordered, so when using the pop method, you do not know which item that gets removed. The clear method empties the set. Sunflower, Jasmine, lily. See here, this is a set method. The del keyword will delete the set completely. See here, del keyword, this will raise an error because the set no longer exists. Loop sets. You can loop through the set items by using a for loop. Loop through the set and print the values. See here, they totally loop. Jasmine, sunflower, lily. Join sets. There are several join two sets. There are several ways to join or more sets in Python. You can use the union method that returns a new set containing all items from both sets, or the update method that inserts all the items from one set into another. See here, first example, the union method returns a new set with all items from the both sets. See here, and result. The update method inserts the items in set 2 into the set 1. See example, result. Keep only the duplicates. The intersection underscore update method will keep only the items that are present in both sets. See the example, keep the items that exist in both set X and set Y. See the update, only sunflower is there. The intersection method will return a new set that only contains the items that are present in both sets. See, return a set that contains the items that exist in both sets X and set Y. See here, sunflower, only sunflower is result. Keep all but not the duplicates. The symmetric underscore difference underscore update method will keep only the elements that are not present in both sets. See here, keep the items that are not present in both sets. By using this method, the result is this: Subbu Kalyanam, Jasmine, SPY Trust, Lily. The symmetric difference method will return a new set that contains only the elements that are not present in both sets. Here, return a set that contains all items from both sets except items that are present in both. See here, Subbu Kalyanam, Jasmine, SPY Trust, Lily. Set methods. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on sets. See here, method and description. Add method adds an element to the set. Clear method removes all the elements from the set. Copy method returns a copy of the set. Difference method returns a set containing the difference between two or more sets. Difference underscore update method removes the items in the set that are also included in another specified set. Discard method see here, remove the specified item. Intersection method returns a set that is the intersection of two other sets. Intersection underscore update method removes the items in the set that are not present in other specified sets. Is disjoint method returns whether two sets have the intersection or not. Is subset method returns whether another set contains the set or not. Is superset method returns whether the set contains another set or not. Pop-up method removes an element from the set. Remove method removes the specified element. Semantic underscore difference method returns a set with the semantic difference of two sets. Symmetric underscore difference method returns a set with the symmetric difference of two sets. Symmetric underscore difference underscore update method inserts the symmetric differences from the set and another. Union method returns a set containing the union of sets. Update method update the set with the union of this set and others. Okay friends, this is the end of part 14 sets. In next video, let us learn about another topic, dictionaries.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.